Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shaista S. So friends, today I am with a new video on Scratch, and today we are going to make about me in Scratch. So means here there are some fruits or any sprite you can take, a play balls or something, food you can take costumes, you can take people and many things you can take. So now let's see the demo of this project. So first I'll show you the demo of watermelon, then orange, and then basketball. So let's start. I am clicking on watermelon.
I am a watermelon. I am very juicy fruit.
You have seen it saying in a giant voice that I am a watermelon, I am very juicy fruit. Like now it costume has been changed. Again it will change the costume. Let's see.
I am a watermelon. I am very juicy fruit. I am a watermelon. I am very juicy fruit.
So that's very amazing and very enjoyable project, guys. Now let's see about orange, what it's saying.
I'm orange. I give vitamin C.
Oh, that's great. We all know that orange gave us vitamin C. Now basketball.
I am a basketball.
So you can see the basketball is saying I am a basketball, and it's also turning 15-degree right side. You can
I
see
am a basketball.
it's turning. So that is very easy coding, and you can see there is no coding for backdrop. So now let's start to creating. Before that, let's see the coding of watermelon. When this right click, and here we have used the extensions of text to speech. You can see here we have used this. So now let's create. Let's click on file and then new and then create. So yes, it's loading. I would like to say you guys that if you are new on my channel, so subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon, like this video, share this video, and tell me in comment section how you are liking this video or not, and how about this video. So now let's first delete the regular cat, and first let's click on backdrop and take any backdrop you want. And now here I am taking blue sky too, and I'll change the color. You can change color also, or you can take any heart, or you can see here there are, like, let me tell you that here there are many kind of fantasy backdrops are there, music backdrops are there, sports backdrops are there, outdoors, underwater space, and many more. And there are, you can see, you can choose any one, the colorful, light one, heart one, party, race, pool, any kind of backdrop you want as your wish. So I have taken blue sky too, and now I'll just delete the first one and I'll change the color of this backdrop. You can also change, let it be an orange, okay, and click on a bucket and fill it. You can see this is looking very beautiful. Now let's take a sprite. First we will take a watermelon. We will go here and we will take a watermelon. We can click on food to get it very quickly. So let's see where is a watermelon. Yeah, so here it is a watermelon. Let's take, yeah, and now let's take another sprite. You can take orange, or you can take animal, people, anything you want, but I am taking food only. Any fruit you can take. Let's take an orange, okay, and the last one I will take a kind of basketball or any ball. There are many ball, baseball, basketball, balloons ball, simple ball. So let's take a basketball, and I want all size should be equal. So for watermelon I'll do 120, and of basketball also I will do 120, and of orange there is no need to do because it is already very large. Now let's click on watermelon and let's go on event block, and today also we are using when this sprite clicks. It means whenever we will click on a watermelon, let's change their position like this. Yeah, and now go on watermelon, and now let's go in extensions. There are many extension: music, pen, video sensing, Makey translate, text to speech, microbit, robotic, leisure boost, and many go direct force and acceleration, and many others. So now we want a text to speech. This is very amazing extension. I really like this. We can change the voice also, we can change the language also, and we can type whatever we want to speak it. And let's take its sound to be giant, its voice, and let's type something that I am a watermelon. Okay, and watermelon is what? It's very juicy fruit, so we can type I am very juicy fruit. Okay, and then now let's drag it here and let's see when we are clicking, so what is happening.
I am a watermelon. I am very juicy fruit.
So you can see. Now let's put it voice to be giant. Then what it will say?
I am a watermelon.
Smaller.
I am very juicy fruit.
So you can see its sound is very great, and it's giant sound and very heavy sound, you can say. And now I want its costume also. You can see whenever we take a sprite, so in Scratch there are many costumes available for a sprite. So there are 3 costumes of watermelon. So let's go on event block and choose when the sprite clicked, and go on look blocks, and we will take next costume. So now what will happen?
I
You
am
can
a
see.
watermelon. I am very juicy fruit.
It says also, and also its costume has been changed. Now again we can try.
I am a watermelon.
And
I am
very
very
juicy
juicy
fruit.
fruit.
Yes, so we have done with watermelon. Now let's go on orange and do the same thing. Let's go on event block, take when the sprite clicked, take text to speech extension, and you can change its voice to be alto or whatever you want, and let's speak it to be that I am orange, and I give vitamin C. We get vitamin C by orange, right? Vitamin C. Okay, we're done with this. Now let's see what is saying.
I am an orange. I give vitamin C.
So yes, that is great. Now I don't want to change the costume of this orange, because we already have animated this
I
watermelon.
am a watermelon.
So that's
I am
why.
very juicy fruit.
Now let's go on orange, and you can see when I will click on orange.
I am an orange. I give vitamin C.
Now on basketball. So what it will say? There are same coding for this coding. When this sprite clicked, let's go on text to speech, and this time I'll change the voice to be a tenor voice. I'll set here, and now it will say I'm a basketball. I am a basketball. Okay, that's done. That's very easy coding. Now let's set it here. Let's see what is saying.
I am a basketball.
You can see. Now I want some motion in this basketball, as we play basketball, so it used to move. So let's go on motion block and take turn right 15 degree, and go on event block and take when this sprite click. So what will happen whenever this sprite click? Let's see.
I am a basketball.
You can see
I am a basketball.
it's turning also, and it's saying I am a basketball.
I am a basketball.
So this is very easy. You can animate it more, whatever you want to do. You can change color, you can change costume also, and many things you can do. And now let's save this project, and also you can give a name, something about me, because they are introducing themselves, they are introducing, so that's why. Now let's see the last demo of this project.
I am a watermelon. I am very juicy fruit.
I am an orange. I give vitamin C.
I am a basketball.
That's great. So yes friends, this is all about today. Hope you like this video, and I also hope that you learned something new. And this is very easy coding and very easy project for the Scratch beginners. And friends, if you are new on my channel, so let's subscribe to my channel, ring the bell icon to get all notifications of my video, and like, share, comment, and tell me also in comment section how's my video. So thanks for watching.